Hello, everyone! Today, we'll guide you through the process of ordering on our brand new automobile website. If you're ready to place your order, follow these simple steps to ensure you receive your favorite miniatures. The first step is to have created an account and login. If you don't have an account, make sure to create one. Then log in to your account. Once logged in, you can access the club model orders. You can do this in two ways. Firstly, from the homepage, click on an image of the club. Otherwise, go to the club section at the top of the page and select the club image you're interested in. Now, choose the models you wish to order and add them to your cart. One crucial thing to note: you must create a separate cart for each club month. Also, remember that you can order a maximum of 2 miniatures per model per person. After adding your models to the cart, click on your cart and then on the Order button. You'll see a summary of your cart's content. Check it carefully. If you haven't already, you'll need to enter your postal address. Next, select the shipping method that suits you best. Then, choose your payment method. If you encounter a bug or issue at this stage, select Pay Later and contact us through the customer service to resolve the issue without additional charges. Once all the information is confirmed, click the Place Order button. Your pre-order will be confirmed. You can find all your pre-orders in your profile under the History tab. If you want to modify your orders, please contact customer service. Otherwise, you will incur double shipping fees. If you have questions or issues, don't hesitate to contact our customer service by clicking Contact Us and then Customer Service. Thank you for your loyalty and trust in Automobile. We're delighted to accompany you in your miniature passion. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us. See you soon and enjoy your new model car.